go out here and show you what's going on out here. Oh, I want to show you this first. I'm proud of this one. This is my first one I have found. See him right there? Yeah. Hey, cucumber. Another one up here above it. Yeah, right there he is. And what I got going on over here, these beans, I just cannot wait no longer. I have to get in here and pick these beans. Let's add them in there. So this I got to get done. I'm going to start on that here in a little bit. And another thing I want to show you, I get started picking these, I will come back and show you what I come up with. And after that, these potatoes, this one row is dying off pretty good. So this one row will probably be dug within the next day or so. So, yeah. I'll get the beans done and show you what I get up with that, and then I'll show you what I come up with on the potatoes. Alrighty. Okay, here we are. Here's the beans for today. Pretty good little bunch in the bowl. And my little peppers. Got to pick me some of those. And I even pulled me a carrot just to see how good they were doing. That's not too bad. So now my potatoes will be coming out hopefully tomorrow if it doesn't rain and doesn't get too hot. And I may be pulling the carrots here this week. So this is July the 3rd, and we'll see what happens in the next part here. Okay, be back in a bit. Good morning, everybody. This is actually the day after the 4th. It's the 5th. And I started to dig out this row of potatoes, like I said. And I thought, well, I might as well get a few heel here's on the video, just let you see what's coming out of it. So I'm gonna go over here and start pulling. I started to pull one, and I thought, well, I better do this. So I'm gonna get over here and let you see what's coming out of here. Pretty nice one there. I don't know if you can still see those. Well, that's pretty good. For one heel, that's pretty good. number 2. There's the seed potato. It's still stuck on there. Pretty good. Nice. Okay, I'm going to stop the video and I'll go ahead and get this row out. And then when I'm done with it, I will come back and let you see what I've got. Well, here we are. We got it dug up. Yeah, there's what's in the bucket. So yeah, not a bad little row of potatoes. I'll get these all picked up now. I'm going to leave that other row in for a while, let it die off a little more and see if it makes a difference in the size of them. But they are a good size though, most of them, a lot of them anyway. Yeah, some of them, a lot of them about like that, some smaller, you know. Some of them just big as your hand almost. Yep. Okay. I tell you what, people, it is hot. It's 11:30 on July the 5th, and it is muggy, hot, no air. And I got those potatoes all picked up. Let me show you here. There's the bucket full, and the big container bowl full. So that was out of that one row. So I'm happy with it. I only put all together in both rows. I bought 25 pounds of seed potatoes, and I put out like 20 pounds of them, 18 to 20 pounds of them, and give the other 5 pounds to my brother-in-law. But yeah, right there, that probably takes care of the 18 pound right there. So the other row is going to be gain. So whenever I get it done, I'll see what I come up with. But anyway, it is hot. Pete is hot, and he is going into the cool air condition. All right, I hope you all have a very good day. And until next time, God bless.